Hi guys, in the given question it's been said from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeters and diameter is 1.4 centimeters, a conical cavity of the same height and said diameter is hollowed out. We have to find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So if you look at the figure would look like something like this. There is a conical cavity which is inside this cylinder. We have to find the total surface area. So if you look at this figure, if you look at the outer surface area, that's nothing but the curved surface area of this right circular cylinder. So the outer surface, that's the curved surface area of the cylinder. On the other hand, if you look at the inner surface, that's the curved surface area of a right circular cone. So the inner surface, that's the curved surface area of the cone. The top is open because the conical cavity has been removed. The top is open. But at the bottom, there is this circular base present. So we have to add the area of this circular base as well, which would be equal to pi r square. So the total surface area of this figure, that would be equal to curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of the cone pi r l plus the area of this circular base, which is equal to pi r square. Now the dimensions which are given to us: height of the cylindrical part h, that's equal to 2.4 centimeters. Radius is going to be common for both the cone as well as the cylinder. Radius, that would be equal to diameter by 2. Diameter is 1.4 centimeters. So radius is going to be 0.7 centimeters. To calculate the curved surface area of the cone, we need the slant height of the cone L, which is not given to us, but we can use the relation between L, R and H. L square, that's always equal to R square plus H square. If you substitute the values, L square, you will see that would be equal to R square 0.7 square plus H square 2.4 square. This value would be equal to 0.49 plus 2.4 square, that would be equal to 5.76. If you add these two, L square you will get, that would be equal to 6.25, which we can also write as 2.5 whole square. So the slant height L you will get, that would be equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now we can substitute all the values over here. The total surface area of this figure, that would be equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r l plus pi r square. Let's take pi r common from this. So if you take pi r common, 2 times h plus l plus r. Pi 22 by 7, radius is known to us, which is equal to 0.7 into 2 times of h, that would be twice of this height 2.4, 4.8 plus L, the slant height we just calculated 2.5 plus R, that would be 0.7 once again. 22 by 7 into 0.7. If you add these three, 4.8, 2.5, 0.7, that's going to be 8. 22 into 7, 0.7, it would be 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 into 8, which is equal to 22 into 0.8. This value is equal to 17.6 centimeters square. So the total surface area of this solid, that's equal to 17.6 centimeters square.